So good day guys, welcome back. Now we have what we have here is WTI crude oil. We would want to predict the price for today. So but before we get started, if you've not subscribed, please I beg you click on that subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, and also make your comments. I'll be watching out for it. Now take a look at this WTI crude oil. I think we should actually start from the weekly time frame. A quick analysis on it to be able to understand this movement itself on weekly time frame. Now take a look at this movement, right? There's, I think this was around early 2020. We've actually been going bullish. You can see this WTI crude oil has actually been rolling up. So, price has been going bullish. Then all of a sudden, I think this was around 2022, around early 2022 also. Or you can see probably around May 2022. Then we're having this movement here. There's only clear one movement we are seeing here, which is very, very clear, a bearish move, right? So I mean, if you're a new trader, you know that this price is actually bearish. Now I've added this moving average. For those of you who use moving average to trade, I'm using 10 period moving average here, and we all know the rules of trading in 10 period moving average. Once it is below the 10 period moving average, we have to short it, but if it is above it, we have to go long. So as at here, it was actually above the 10 period moving average, where we actually roll up with it, but now it is below it, meaning we have to short it. Now let's take a look at this movement itself. We saw this impulse move downward. A correction has been made. Then here we add another impulse move. Then we got a correction here. Here we add another impulse move. A correction was made. And guess what? We've had another impulse move. So after the impulse move, we should be expecting a correction, right? So I think we should be having a correction at a previous level where price reacted to. I think this is the level here. I should be seeing price actually react to take the correction around there. Then once the correction is over, then we should see a drop. So currently the price is at 83. It depends on when you're watching it though. If you're watching it early, then you see that this price is currently at 83, but we would want to see it actually roll up to a level of 86 or 87. After it has gotten to that same level, then we should be able to see a rejection, a fall. So I mean, it depends on when you are watching it. So, we want to go bullish on WTI crude oil as a correction move. Once the correction move is over, then we would actually have a drop. So that will now take us downward to our daily time frame. That's what this daily time frame says. So this is it here. I mean, clearly we can see this movement here on daily time frame. The price is actually on a bearish move, right? So reason you see this market that I've highlighted here on the weekly time frame, it is now more visible on the daily time frame. Now we can see that once price came to this level, price reacted at this level. Price also came to react at this level. We also saw price actually react at this level, kind of like a little bit of a false breakout. Then price also came to react at this level. Now this price is actually rolling up. We would also still see it react at this same level, because price tends to react at a certain level. When price has reacted at a level multiple times and the price is actually moving to that same level, there's higher probability or possibility that the price will also react at that same level again. So guys, once we see this WTI crude oil actually push up to this level, a level of 86 to 87, or let's just call it 87, to make it very easier. So around 87, we should actually now see this drop again on WTI crude oil. So as of recent, we are still on a pullback level. So this WTI crude oil is still on a pullback level. Maybe once the pullback level is over, then we can now see this drop on this WTI crude oil. So I mean, that is it, and let's see what this 4-hour time frame says to actually place this trade, because placing trade on the 4-hour time frame is far more easier than doing it on the daily time frame. Now see it on this 4-hour time frame. What we clearly can see on this 4-hour time frame is that the price is bullish, right? It's still on a bullish move. I mean, take a look at it. Higher highs here, a correction was made, another higher highs, a correction, and now higher highs here. So we'll be going bullish. We definitely want to see it actually roll out to the level of 87, that we once talked about on our weekly time frame, and we once talked about on our daily time frame. So once price gets to that same level, it should actually drop. We see it reacted at this level here multiple times. Definitely once this price comes to the same level, should be able to react here. So it depends on how early you are watching it. If not, I will advise you to actually take your buy now, get to around 87, then opt out of your trade. Maybe then and then we should actually have that, a drop possibly today or tomorrow. By the way, you should now get that drop on the 4 hour time frame. So 4 hour time frame, we are still on a bullish move and the price is still above 10 period moving average. And now this 1 hour time frame still on a bullish move. By the way, take a look at it. So we are still on an uptrend move on the 1 hour and 4 hour time frame, meaning we are still on a bullish move. Once the bullish move actually get to a key level, then we should be aiming for a drop again. So that is the analysis.